Hi, welcome back to Crazy Ideas No One. ChatGPT is a hot keyword search by users in many countries. It is an AI tool that helps answer the questions by conversation. This video is a kind of thanksgiving to those who invented ChatGPT, the people who have brought the world to a new page, a new era, the era of technology and the era of artificial intelligence. This video also confirms one thing that our skilled workers are not only good at building aquariums or miniatures, but they also love technology and are always searching and learning new knowledge. Hope you enjoy watching the video. ChatGPT refers to Chat Generative Pre-training Transformer is a chatbot developed by OpenAI based on Google's Transformer model. ChatGPT had gone through many different versions, of which GPT-1 is the first. The size and the complexity level of GPT-1 is quite small when we compare it to the later versions. This is an AI, artificial intelligence, that assists you in creating automated conversations and answering questions on a variety of topics and fields. In the field of artificial intelligence, AI, researchers evaluate the intelligence of AI using hyperparameters. Specifically, when the AI is deeply trained, it can understand many different meanings of text. And to train GPT, scientists at OpenAI collected large volumes of human-written text, sourced from Wikipedia, encyclopedias, and major newspapers and other publicly available sources of information up to hundreds of millions of documents. Every time the AI recognizes new layers of meaning, the parameter in it also increases. For example, GPT-1 has about 117 million parameters. GPT-2 version 2019 with a number of parameters is 1.5 billion, and GPT-3 version 2020 with the number of parameters up to 175 billion. Of this, GPT-3 is the core of ChatGPT in use today. Recently, ChatGPT is considered as one of the most advanced languages models today, with the ability to automatically learn and work with big data types. It is equipped with outstanding features such as automating conversations, answering questions, generating automated responses, and improving the self-learning ability of the model. Therefore, all your questions and concerns in any field will be answered fluently and fully by ChatGPT in a split second. ChatGPT takes care of all creative and artistic tasks such as writing poetry, composing music, writing letters, designing, and even creating or correcting errors in programming. And now, let's take a look at the entire work once again to see ingenuity, meticulousness, and talented hands of the artisans who have created the work. Let us know what you think about this piece. If you like us, please subscribe to support and follow our next videos. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye!